Welcome to the Angles for Oracle AI Doc Assist demo. Searching through documentation websites or knowledge base articles to get answers to a specific query can be time-consuming. How about having all the information available instantly? Let's see how AI Doc Assist will help. Click on the AI Doc Assist icon on the bottom right corner of the window to launch the Angles for Oracle AI Doc Assist. For this demo, I am going to add a common question that always comes up. What is the process for generating metadata in BI tools? Now, the AI Doc Assist is going to be looking through all of the information that's contained within the system. It will look up the documentation portal, knowledge-based articles, and then of course it's going to look at the nested impact of the question to then return the best possible results within the user interface. In the References section, we have the ability to look at specific knowledge-based articles and documentation. By clicking on Working with Angles Generator for Microsoft Power BI, it opens the content from the documentation portal. We are going to go through some additional queries for a clear understanding of the AI Doc Assist capabilities. Let us check what are the prerequisites for Hub. You will notice that although AI Doc Assist is unable to find the exact answer, it provides you with probable answers that you can go through. Let us find out from the AI Doc Assist what the latest release of Angles Hub is. Bingo! The AI Doc Assist tells you what the latest version is and also provides you with the relevant links in the reference section. With that, we conclude our AI Doc Assist demo powered by Insight Software's AI services.